Okay everyone, welcome to the first class trial. You will all talk about who killed Cherry, and whoever did it will get killed. If not, then I will kill you, but the killer. So let's begin.
Okay, so when shall we start?
Well, I don't know, I haven't been in a class trial before. Some of us were in the class trial, right guys?
Okay, what about Cousin F? Okay, talk about that first. So, what we know, the cause of death is unknown.
Well, about the crime scene, there was no murder weapon.
Well, I think there is.
Then what is it?
The murder weapon has to be the glass under the bed. She was stabbed by that glass. No, that's wrong! I don't think that she was stabbed. Why not? Well, her body is pale, so that means there was barely any blood in her body. But what about her mouth?
That was the only blood left.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. Guys, it's fine. That's what you find kills Cherry. Yeah, we need to be real here.
Okay, but how she died is still we are talking about. This could
This killer is so tricky.
How about this?
what?
What if Taco is the killer?
What? Why me?
Bella, why do you think that Taco is the killer?
Because he was the only person that was in the chemistry room before the murder.
Oh, she isn't wrong.
Taco was in the chemistry room. The time before the murder.
So you just say he's the killer? But Taco has no reason why he would have come to you.
Yes. He was the only one who took the chemicals.
No, that's wrong! But there is something wrong with that.
What?
Remember what he told us? He said that someone else was with him too. But I didn't see who it was.
What if he is lying?
I would never lie to you guys. what if you all both are honest? Well, they are friends. But I don't think Taco or Ten really kill her. Oh, okay then. Oh, okay. Then tell me why. Taco and Ten both have killed Jerry.
That's just a lie.
Oh please. Was anyone watching at all? That's what I thought. So no one was watching at all. No, that's wrong! Awesome, you're wrong. Huh? There was someone watching. And that person was Aqua. Yeah, that was right. Oh, okay. Well, okay, fine. I guess Taco did kill Cherry. Yeah, how dare you?
Don't worry, Taco, just don't worry about us.
So what now? Wait!
What is it, Bunny?
Every door has this post-it picture. So this means the killer has to be a girl. So, this is the next door. Where's the cat cabin? Hey, come on. What if the killer is a boy?
I don't think so. Yeah, some boys can do really good voice.
But I can't do a girl voice.
Same here. Oh my god, this thing is gonna be split in half. Split? Looks like it's time. Time for what? Looks like it's time for a scrum debate.
A boy has a deeper voice. Then a girl has, so it can be a boy.
Taco, people like me and Aqua can do a really good girl voice. Maybe the voice of a camera that show the face. Bella,
It's a voice detector. It has no camera.
if it is a boy, then the voice will crack. Aqua, some boys do, but not some. There are a lot of reasons of why it's a girl. You're taking too long. I got this. More like you all taking too long, and we know that. This is our answer.
Okay, but I still don't know why the killer is a boy.
What if it was a girl? Her voice moving off. Oh yeah.
But for me and Aqua, who can do a really good girl voice? It has to be you. I think I know who the killer is.
Well, who is it?
It's awesome. Wait, what? Leslie, what do you think that he's a killer? Yeah, what the hell is wrong with you? What the heck do you think I'm the killer?
There's a lot of reasons why you're the killer.
Oh, really? Was it because I said nothing? Or maybe I didn't do anything? I agree. That's it. What? You were lying about where you were. Looks like you have been caught. Okay, fine, I did it.
But why did you do it?
The reason why, because Cherry didn't care about the motive.
But why?
Well, she told me that she knew that was the motive. Okay, I'll take this case back from the start. It happened right after the motive, and everyone has just gone mad, but one person, Cherry. But the killer had a plan to handle this. He went to one of the closets and got a white blanket and covered her head with it. Then they went to the chemistry lab, but they saw someone there. Taco. So they didn't know what to do but just steal one of the chemicals. And ran out of the chemistry lab and went to the dorm. Then the killer was in front of Cherry's dorm, but saw Aqua there too. And he didn't want to be seen. So he ran to Cherry's door and talked in a good voice into the voice detector and looked. Then he waited for Cherry to come out of the bathroom. And then she died. She got injected with acid into her body. And then took the last bit of acid and put it in his room. There's only one person who did it. Awesome. Super high school level clown. Okay then, it's a good time to start voting. Now let's see if you're alright. Good job, you guessed right.
Well, sorry to say this. I knew that you will be the killer.
What? Same. Whatever, just do what you gotta do. If you say so. Now then, I have a very special punishment. For Awesome, the ultimate clown. It's punishment time!